Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can fix your Instagram exit. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments, and also make sure to put your likes. So, let's get you and me started. And if you accidentally logged out of Instagram, or rather you were thrown out for some unknown reason, and you want to fix it somehow, and re-enter Instagram safely, then I'm going to show you a method of how to do it. You do not worry, most likely it was because you need to clear the cache or some files were corrupted. It happens. There is nothing wrong with it. So, in order to fix this situation, go to your phone settings. Then scroll down, go to Basic. Then go to iPhone Memory. Here you will need to swipe down in order for you in the apps to find Instagram and go to it. After that, you will see a function here, which is called Unload App. Click on it, and then when the app is unloaded, also here click on Reinstall App. This kind of action, it will help you to fix the login problem. All the login data, all the data in Instagram, that is, your correspondences and so on, everything will be in place. You don't have to worry about that. Just in this way we'll clear the cache, update some possibly corrupted files, corrupted data, and so Instagram will just update on your phone. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. You have seen how you can fix the output in Instagram. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.